Prepare the installation area and place the recessing box on the hardened concrete base. Adjust it to the desired level and angle. Remove luminaire housing from the recessing box. Loosen the fixing screws to unlock the stainless steel front frame. Remove the stainless steel front frame. Loosen the fixing screws to unlock the luminaire housing from the recessing box. Apply the glass suction cup A614491 to lift up the luminaire housing. Place the recessing box in the installation area. Pour liquid concrete. Position the luminaire so that it is at floor level. Clean before place the luminaire housing in the recessing box. Pull the cable through the pipe and ensure the cable is waterproof and safe. Connect the cable connector, available upon request. Tighten the cable connector, available upon request. Arrange the cable properly inside the recessing box. Apply the glass suction cup A614491 to lift up the luminaire housing. Then insert the luminaire housing into the recessing box. Adjust the luminaire housing to the correct position. Make sure that the luminaire housing is perfectly aligned. Screw the luminaire housing to the recessing box to lock it in place. Apply L-shaped Allen key T30 to adjust the light angle. Easy with measurement scale. Tighten it after setting it to the required angle. Reinsert the stainless steel front frame back and screw down. Clean the luminaire after completely installing with the clean cloth. Static load resistance 5,000 kilograms.